Hey, welcome back to the channel, Fully Invested Fi. Today, I just wanted to do a quick little video, just because, yeah, I managed to get the Robinhood Gold card after talking about it for so long, getting off the wait list. And yeah, just wanted to share how I got it, and maybe some others are going to be able to get it the same, just because I shared it with people in my Discord, and there's like 3 others that managed to get it today. So that makes 4 of us today. So yeah, just want to share it wide in case it's a thing. But yeah, before I get started, this video is for entertainment and education purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing here should be taken as financial investment or tax advice. I'm simply sharing my personal investing journey and documenting my own results. Investing always carries risk, especially when using margin, and you can potentially lose money. So don't copy what I'm investing in blindly and without understanding the risks and doing your own due diligence. No returns are guaranteed. So yeah, if we pop over here, took a bunch of screenshots here. So yeah, this is the gold card. I managed to get it today. I got a 10K limit on it, which was nice. So yeah, like people have been following the channel for a while. You know, I've been kind of trying to get this for a while because I've still been using my Fidelity 2% cashback card. So this one is 3%. So very excited to be using this. Not quite as a daily driver quite yet because I'm using more this other card for travel, but for this will be great. But yeah, I ended up finding this one Reddit thread on Robinhood app. So someone that was thanking the mods for getting the credit card. I saw this like basically last night, and then I just wanted to give it a shot. They were just saying to message the mods on Robinhood app, right? In my case, I messaged Robinhood Alex. And yeah, there's a bunch of people that just managed to get it like pretty much right away. So if you peruse that thread, and I'll probably link it in the video below, but yeah, so I messaged this guy here, and I had an existing thread already for just some transfer questions I had when I first moved to Robinhood. So you can kind of see exactly what I said there. I basically just said I was a Robinhood, if I could get put on the radar for it, how much I had invested across multiple accounts. I forgot to say I was a gold member too, but I linked my profile name, which you can kind of find basically on your profile page on Robinhood on the app or on the desktop. It should be under your profile picture and where it says how much you have in Robinhood. But yeah, he pretty much said at 8 a.m. this morning, said I was reviewed and approved. And then I basically got the application like within minutes of that. Tried shooting my shot too and see if I could get Robinhood banking, but that didn't quite work, as you can kind of see here. But yeah, I shared this with people in the Discord, and luckily like a couple of others were managed to get it. Blackfish got it, Brent managed to get it, Foxhound managed to get it. So that was like 4 of us today. So a little perk of being on the Discord there. But yeah, how you can kind of do that, Blackfish kind of outlined it over here. So if you're on the app, just click the 3 dots at the top right of the sub, and then you can message moderators. So that's how you did it, and then it'll bring up the list of moderators there. So maybe try Robinhood Alex. But yeah, this seems like maybe they're going wider with the credit cards. I'm not sure. I know I've read some people that have gotten it from like just messaging customer support too, which I tried, but that didn't work. But this went through for some reason. But yeah, maybe give it a try. Maybe it works. Definitely let me know in the comments below. And yeah, that's the video. Honestly, I just want to do a really quick one and share that out with people in case they can get it. And yeah, just again, little perk of being on the Discord that we were able to catch that today. So yeah, I just kind of posted that on there, right? And yeah, then a bunch of people followed suit, which was nice, and got lucky as well. So that's 4 of us that hit it. But yeah, just that quick video that I wanted to do, and I'll catch you on the next one. The next video that I'll be doing will be likely posted on Saturday, and just that'll be going over the week's performance. It's definitely going to be a rough one, as everyone's tech has been getting hit hard this week, and yeah, obviously I'm very exposed to tech, so yeah, a little preview here. It's not going to be good unless there's a crazy reversal tomorrow, but I doubt it. But yeah, but I'll dive into all those numbers on tomorrow when I film, and then I'll post that up on Saturday. So yeah, again, I got to post stuff in good times and bad times. So this week is bad times. Always going to be transparent about everything. So I'll catch you on that one. Peace.